If you've imported an Excel spreadsheet into Google Sheets, you may encounter errors such as these. These name errors are effectively telling me that the function isn't found in Google Sheets. But if I click on them, you'll notice this one is using the filter function, and this one is using the sort function. These functions both exist in Google Sheets. Now, the good news is it has this XLWS period prefix in it. That effectively is a sign that, it does exist in Google Sheets, so there is a compatible function. All I need to do is really just get rid of that. So if I select this here, hit Control C to copy, and then I'm going to open up Find and Replace using the Control H shortcut, paste that in there. I'm going to replace it with nothing. Check off the option to also search within formulas, hit Replace All, click OK, and done. And now my formulas are working correctly. Now, if you don't see that XLWS in that formula, that's a sign that the function really doesn't exist. So if you're using sort by instead of sort, for example, Google Sheets doesn't have sort by. So in that case, you would have to reconstruct your formula to make sure that it works in Google Sheets with the formulas that exist in Google Sheets. You could also clean this up a little bit further if you wanted to. I don't need this array constrain array formula. I could just delete this part here and also delete these extra values here. And when I do that, just want to make sure I grab all the parentheses. And when I do that, now it looks more like the sort function that I had set up in Microsoft Excel. I can do the same thing here for this filter function and delete that before and delete this. And now it's back to a cleaner sort of setup. That's not really necessary. Your formula is still going to work just by getting rid of that XLWS. That'll fix the issue. But if you want to get it back to how it was in Excel, you can set it up this way. And as you can see, now it gets back to populating that stuff. So if you have those XLWS values in your formula, that's a good sign. That means it's an easy fix. If you don't, however, then it can be a bit more tedious and time consuming to fix them to make sure that they work in Google Sheets. So if you run into those issues, you may want to consider using older functions in Excel, or at least making sure there's compatible ones on Google Sheets so that they work correctly when you import them.